Alright, this video is going to cover angles in the middle of a protractor. Here's the teaks that we're going to be covering. So here I've got a protractor. I've got an angle M. It goes from L to M to N. And you see two sets of numbers. You see some numbers on top. You see some numbers on bottom. Sometimes we read the numbers on top, sometimes on bottom. It's honestly your preference. I personally prefer only to read on top, because that's where the little tick marks are. It makes it so much easier to read. So right here, L to M, this ray lands right there at 60. And over here, N to M, the ray ends at 140. So to figure out the measurement of that angle, I'm going to subtract. I'm going to find the difference of 140 and 60. And we'll do that right here. 140 minus 60. So we can use 0. 14 minus 6 is 8. So the distance from 60 to 140 is 80. There's our answer right there. So let's try another one. So again, I went ahead and wrote the measurement. I'm looking from X to Y to Z. So XY is at 56, 50, 55, and right here is 56. And then ZY is 81, 82, 83, 84, and it's right there on top of 85. So again, I'm going to find the difference of 85, 56. I have to borrow. 15 minus 6 is 9. 7 minus 5 is 2. So the difference is 29. The measure of this angle right here is 29 degrees. Alright, so this time we're measuring from E to F to H. I didn't write them in ahead of time. So I'm at 40. Right here is 45, 46, 47, 48. 48. It's a little bit harder to do with our mouse. Okay, over here I've got 160, 161, 162, 163, 164. Okay, so I need to find the difference to figure out how far it is from this line all the way to this line. So I'm going to do 164 minus 48. Let's go over here and borrow. 14 minus 8 is 6. 15 minus 4, or 5 minus 4 is 1, 116. So the measure of angle EFH is 116 degrees. It's 116 degrees to go from this line right here all the way to this line. Our last one. Okay, this looks all complicated and stuff, but read what it's asking. Measure of angle CDE. So I'm going to ignore everything else that's happening. CD is at 24. And E is at 131. So I need to find the difference with those numbers. 131 minus 24. 11 minus 4 is 7. 12 minus 2 is 10. So from this line all the way to this line, it is 107 degrees. Okay. If you guys have any questions on this, please write down on your whisk and bring it to class.